Mashatu Voyager, smart suitcase. Your luggage, but smarter. Imagine a suitcase that not only carries your clothes but also follows you around. That's the Mashatu Voyager Smart Suitcase. With a full charge, it can travel up to 7 kilometers, and in its tracking mode, it follows you autonomously for up to 12 kilometers. It has 33 liters of storage, weighs just 5.4 kilograms, and even doubles as a power bank. For $499, this suitcase doesn't just carry your things, it makes traveling a lot easier. wildest Transbuds, A8, the earbuds that break language barriers. The wildest Transbuds. A8 are a game changer for communication. These smart earbuds can translate over 100 languages in real time with just a half-second delay. They're accurate, work offline with 16 languages, and can handle up to 144 languages when connected to Wi-Fi. For $179, you'll never be lost in translation again. Need directions or audio recordings? These buds do it all. Mecha by ARSMEL, the ultimate travel adapter. No more hunting for different plugs when you travel. The Mecha by ARSMEL is a universal adapter that works with all 14 global plug types and can power high-drain devices. It also includes USB ports for charging your gadgets. This handy device costs $59 and solves all your plug problems, making it an essential tool for any international traveler. Paladin Pro, protect your privacy on the go. In today's world, privacy is more important than ever. The Paladin Pro is a portable device designed to detect hidden surveillance tools like cameras and microphones. It uses radio waves and laser technology to scan your surroundings and protect your privacy. For $129, you can feel safer wherever you go, knowing that this device is keeping an eye out for unwanted surveillance. Wycom, stay connected anywhere. For business travelers who need reliable internet, the Wycom router is a must-have. It provides Wi-Fi in 127 countries and supports speeds up to 150 megabits per second. You can connect up to 8 devices and enjoy 10 hours of battery life, ensuring you stay connected while working or streaming. Priced at $249, it's your ticket to seamless internet on the go. iTravel Mini. Never lose your passport again. Traveling with your passport can be stressful, but with the iTravel Mini passport holder, you'll never have to worry about losing it. This smart holder has a built-in GPS tracker that alerts you if your passport is left behind or stolen. For $99, this simple yet effective solution ensures your most important travel document stays safe and secure. True Rest, a better way to sleep on planes. Sleeping on a plane can be uncomfortable, especially in economy class. The True Rest system is designed to help you sleep better by attaching to your tray table and reducing chest strain, making breathing easier while you rest. For $105, this system provides much-needed comfort during long flights and ensures you arrive feeling refreshed. Relime Travel Vacuum Bags. Pack more efficiently. Packing for a trip? The Relime Travel Vacuum Bags help you save space by compressing your clothes and reducing their size by up to 80%. The kit includes a lightweight pump, and the bags can hold up to 15 kilograms of clothes. At just $80, these bags make packing more efficient, leaving you with more room for souvenirs. Sago Solar Charger. Power up anywhere. The Sago Solar Charger is a foldable, portable solar power bank that's perfect for outdoor adventures. Despite its compact size, it delivers 25 watts of power, enough to charge your phone in 2 hours. With its weatherproof design and foldable feature, you can take it anywhere. For $289, this solar charger keeps you powered up in the most remote locations. Fukangya, all-in-one beauty tool. The Fukangya combines a hairdryer, mirror, and essential oil container into one compact device. With its 60 meters per second airflow, it dries your hair in just 8 minutes, while the negative ion technology helps prevent damage. For $79, you get a travel-friendly beauty tool that also makes your hair softer and shinier, perfect for busy travelers on the go. iRun, travel iron with a modern twist. The iRun is a compact, travel-friendly iron that heats up in just 1 minute and lasts for 30 minutes on a single charge. It's designed for delicate fabrics like silk and cashmere, with adjustable temperature settings to prevent damage. For just $69, this lightweight iron is an essential gadget for keeping your clothes wrinkle-free while traveling. Acura NSX Trailer, the ultimate repurposing of a car. The Acura NSX Trailer is one of the most creative repurposings of a sports car you'll ever see. Originally in a few accidents, the car was turned into a unique trailer that also doubles as a tent base. Not only can you drive it around, but you can also surprise friends with a cozy camping setup. This inventive use of a damaged car is a must-see for any car enthusiast. ClickPack Travelo, the backpack with ultimate security. Inspired by a wallet-stealing incident, the ClickPack Travelo is designed to keep your belongings safe. It features a TSA lock, wire lock for securing it to railings, and RFID protection to safeguard your cards. With its multiple pockets and 45-liter capacity, this $129 backpack ensures your items stay secure while you travel. Neck Pillow Lounge. Rest anywhere, waiting at the airport or hiking up a mountain. The Neck Pillow Lounge trademark offers comfort wherever you are. This inflatable pillow and lounger combo is designed to make resting easier, whether you're on the go or at the beach. For $89, it's a perfect solution for anyone who needs a quick nap on their travels. Rubicon Dog, a comfortable ride for your pet. Traveling with a pet? The Rubicon Dog transportation system is designed to keep your larger pets comfortable and secure during travel. It's easy to clean and ideal for breeds like German Shepherds. For $379, your dog will travel in style and comfort, making the journey just as enjoyable as the destination. Vaultec Life Pod, a portable safe for your essentials. The Vaultec Life Pod is a compact, portable safe designed to protect your valuables while traveling. It's waterproof, durable, and can float, ensuring your items stay safe even in unexpected situations. The $110 model offers keypad access, while the $160 version includes fingerprint security. This portable safe is perfect for storing keys, documents, and even firearms when you're on the go. Woobin Night X0, a compact, powerful flashlight. The Woobin Night X0 flashlight is made from aerospace-grade aluminum and delivers impressive power in a compact form. It's waterproof, freeze-resistant, and can last up to 130 hours. With a 125-meter range and magnetic attachment, it's ideal for emergencies or outdoor activities. For just $59, this portable light source is essential for your travel toolkit. Laz Bottle, portable sanitizer dispenser. The Laz Bottle is a portable sanitizer dispenser that's perfect for travel. It holds 4 reusable capsules, which can be filled with sanitizers or other liquids. At just $19, it's a practical gadget for keeping your hands clean and your surfaces sanitized, especially when you're on the go and there's no sink in sight. C-Max system, glamping made easy. If you love the outdoors but want comfort, the C-Max system is your perfect glamping solution. It sets up in just 11 minutes and features a lockable door, space for an AC unit, and enough room for up to 8 people. This $122,250 system offers the ultimate in luxury camping, perfect for adventurous travelers who want a home away from home. Expedition Rack, a roof rack for your next adventure. If you're hitting the road in a Toyota Expedition or Land Cruiser, the Expedition Rack is a must-have. It can carry up to 100 kilograms of extra gear and comes with accessories like light bar guards and ladders. Whether you're going off-road or on a cross-country adventure, this sturdy rack ensures you have the space you need. From smart suitcases and universal adapters to portable safes and solar chargers, these travel inventions are taking the stress out of travel and making your journey a whole lot smoother. Which gadget would make your travels easier? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more amazing travel tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.